My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah.
A little puddle jump in here. Oh fuck yeah. Maybe I should pay attention to what I'm doing. I almost just stalled out there because I was in second gear. Let's creep her down into first here. Spencer should have rode with me so he could have been the cameraman. It's actually a little bit muddier than I thought it was going to be, although it has been raining and snowing, but the ground can't really freeze because of this stupid warm, cold shit. So, but I got the chain and we'll see if Curtis can get stuck. Fuck, maybe I will even get stuck. We're gonna find out. We're getting close. There's a little drop off right there. Jesus Christ. I ain't been down here since like summer. Wish I had a GoPro put on the back of the fucking, put on the side of the Ranger. Alright. Here we go. I probably should put the camera down when I go through here just in case. Oh, or it might be frozen and we'll probably both break through. I guess we're gonna find out. He's gonna sit there and spin. That's all he's gonna do, sit there and spin. I made it through. We're gonna see Curtis go through it. Come right through here though. Come right here. He's gonna get a little run on her. He's not gonna make it. He's gonna get stuck. I know he is. His truck sits way lower than mine does. He ain't gonna make it. You're done right there. Done right there, Dad. Oh.
There's a hole there.
I said stay to the left.
I tried.
No, you didn't even try. You tried to go straight for the center.
Yep, Curtis got his Ranger stuck today. Out here. Austin Christopher came to save the day. What was that? He's gonna remove that stick.
Hold it.
Put her in 4-wheel drive. Wait, you can't.
He's gonna be stupid and stop.
Oh fuck, wrong way.
No, why is he stop?
Getting after it with the Ranger.
Call him and tell him to get to the top of the fucking hill. Oh my god, how fucking dumb is he? Go to the top! Go to the top, I'll meet you there! Go! Oh my god, this back tire is fucking caked in mud. Oh, good stuff.
He's gonna have fun editing this.
Is he up there yet, you think?
He's gonna see a lot of his butt cracks.
Can you see him? Is that the trail right there?
Yeah, he's over there. He's already going up the hill. Oh, he's actually going up the grass hill. He's not even going up the trail. Oh, shit.
Where's the ramp?
Back Austin's truck, I think.
Okay.
Jesus. I don't think you're making it up that one.
No. Rally truck, motherfuckers.
I'm gonna beat him. Fuck, he already stopped. Oh, he's going.
We're just sliding. No clutch. Where's he going?
Just follow him. You'll be fine.
He thinks I'm going down that hill. He's smoking.
Oh, no, you'll make it. It's gravel. Paper. Yeah, it's all paper from the mill.
Paper?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, I think they're gonna use it for mulch because they plan on building that field back there.
It's paper?
Yeah.
Shred it up real nice. Just planning on what? Building?
Yeah, back there.
Like behind
That
the
thing.
houses? I'm not going down this.
Here you are. You'll be fine.
I don't want to get stuck again. It's too much
This one I'm kind of sure about. The other one, I knew we were gonna get stuck. Oh yeah, you're fine. It's all good stuff.
idle down it.
Oh, dude. Send it to the cornfield.
Huh?
Send it to the cornfield.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Why?
Why not?
It's a good thing we didn't go 3 wide today.
Yeah. Go on.
Been a long walk.
Go
Oh,
on.
fucking Roger got stuck out there. I ain't going out there.
No, we didn't.
Yeah, he did.
We just go through it all the time. We just go around the edge.
No.
Go right there and hammer it past him.
No. I'm not trying to get stuck again.
You're not gonna get stuck.
Oh, I'll help you with my gear.
I'm not gonna promise you anything, but
I've been in cornfields with 2-wheel drive before. I used to take the acorn to cornfields.
we should buy that and just go through cornfields.
I might sell this. I might buy it back. It's not completely wrong. We're sitting on this fucking
Little
grass.
halves on it, beat it through a cornfield.
Oh, I don't like going on the house.
Why?
So if someone buy it, beat it, and whenever it breaks, it just get rid of it.
Or we beat it through a cornfield.
Where are we gonna keep it? I'm not gonna trailer it.
Austin's mom's. Right where there's a cornfield.
And then I'll get fucked with it.
No, it won't.
Oh? That one's coming with us. That's a hole.
Yeah, that's a washout right there.
Oh, this has been that.
Do not follow him.
Do not?
No.
Why?
Do not, because that's really steep. You want to go this way, follow this trail. I don't even know if you make it this way, but that way is a lot steeper.
Should I get some speed?
Yeah.
Well, if I come down this, I got one brake, I won't be able to turn. Yeah, that's all right.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm not going up.
Yes, you are. You get it.
No, I'm not.
Yes, go,
I
go,
don't
go.
want to.
You're fine.
Fuck that shit.
Come on.
No.
They're not even bad. They're not even bad. No, it's not.
Spencer, they're fucking bad.
No, it's not bad. That is not bad.
Yeah.
Why are you bitching out?
That fucker's steam. Where's my bump?
Let's give a quick shout out to the other countries represented on the countdown.
I'm gonna get out of the way. He's probably gonna come down this.
Cuba, Australia, Russia, Singapore, Ireland, South Korea, and the UK, just to name a few.
Can't believe you wouldn't go.
Hopefully I fucking get out of this one, man.
2018.
You should have went up the hill.
In my blood, 33.
This is how you fucking hammer two-wheel drives or some shit. Where's that monster? Big fucker, you're sitting on it.
Keeping it warm for you. Yep, Curtis bitched out again.
Fuck
Wanna
two.
go up the hill. Old two-wheel drive Ranger just can't hang.
Mm-mm. Oh, gotcha. He's probably waiting. Oh. Guess he's not waiting for us.
Get up there.
Hopefully he doesn't come down it.
He has brakes.
What'd I tell you?
What the fuck? Go, send it all the way up.
No, not after he just went through and mobbed it.
He didn't, he went down it.
Let's do it.
I'm telling you, you can make it up there.
What's he doing? Popping on that.
Oh, his exhaust is hanger.
When he hits the brakes. I didn't even try.
He pushed out. So I had a little.
Up there though?
No. That up there is worse. I told him to go up this one and he pushed out.
I saw the washouts and said, fuck that.
So we had a nice little interview on your camera and then he finally went. Yep.
You got water up. There's water all over that. Or it was. Now it's dry. Good for it? I bet you can. You've got fucking good tires.
Just go back there, turn around and head up it again.
Where were you planning on shooting? Just up there?
Yeah, you shoot some more. I want to shoot.
wasn't planning on shooting. I got low fuel, so what else are we going to do?
Get you to be a man, go up a hill.
I thought you were going to come up the hill.
Dude, yeah, up there's good. You can drift it, jump it.
Not jumping nothing. I think she's had a long day so far. So do you want to go get gas? Let's get up there. Come on, old bitch. Let's get her.
Jesus, this is rough.
Oh, this is gonna be rough.
Oh. Hold on, I gotta zoom out. Fuck. You better speed up.
Yo, farm truck. Oh, fuck, sucker.
That's a big hole.
Old girl maker. What do you think is gonna go up behind the Nisses?
Oh yeah, I would.
Slinging. Go or no?
No.